Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we're dealing with this rubbery material that manufacturers put on different things, including devices, electronics, gadgets. Just even a simple box like this, it's got this rubber material that they put on, and over time it breaks down and it becomes tacky. And I'm sure you guys have seen that before, and trying to figure out how to still preserve the material without having to strip it, and actually just keeping it to where it's no longer having that same tacky feel. I'm going to show you how to do this and deal with it. So I've done it here already on one side, and as you'll notice, this side that I just did is nice and satin, has that satin look to it still, and then this side is that tackiness where you can touch it and it's making this material, even your fingers, if you keep it long enough, to even imprint in in that material, based based on how old it is already and how bad the situation is. But here I'm trying to preserve it because I don't want to strip it. So I started doing this procedure utilizing or using cornstarch. Cornstarch and a couple of simple brushes. Using a soft brush like this, where the bristles isn't like a toothbrush, but very, like more like makeup style, or something that's just really soft that won't hurt the material and you're digging into it. So all you need to do is basically take some of the cornstarch like this, and we'll do it here, and literally just brush it nice and soft like this. Okay, do it one pattern, and not having to do the circular, not just side to side. Just like that. Once you've gotten that material embedded into that, or the cornstarch embedded into this material, just take another brush and just wipe brush the excess away. Now look at the difference. Check that out. And the feel is no longer there versus that's the difference. So it's just as easy as that, using cornstarch and a couple of nice brushes, to where you're not digging into the material, because you still want to preserve this coating without actually having to strip it. I hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Make a comment if you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That is Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching.